as temperatures return to near normal. Warmer early next week and slightly drier. And now, the Cape Fear region. Issued at 9:52 a.m. Rest of today, sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming south this afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. South winds 5 to 10. Thursday, mostly sunny with a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the mid-70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles.
Yay, it went off! Let's go! You had to do a lot of work for that.
KHB31's public warning system.
Okay, I had to try to get this thing to go off, and I managed to get it to go off without the antenna. It's broken.
Automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending.
I broke it again.
Tests of the signal and
Yeah.
receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast North Carolina: Bladen, Brunswick, Columbus, Pender, and New Hanover. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule. And now taking a look at the forecast.